Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the cinema snack counter in Hearttopia. So to craft the cinema snack counter, you need the recipe like this. You can get this recipe from the battle pass at the Dreamlike cinematic event. And after you get this recipe, this furniture recipe, just go to your workbench and then just choose the recipe, the cinema snack counter recipe like this, and then make sure you already have the materials. You need quality timber, and then branch, and then roaming oak timber, and then light and shadow material pack. And after all the materials are complete, just simply tap on craft and then just tap on hold to continue like this. And okay, like this, just like that, you will unlock the cinema snack counter in Hearttopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.